Okay, these videos I will go over some basic MATLAB material. Okay, you can follow along with me. If you have a computer with MATLAB installed, you can load MATLAB and follow along. Okay, otherwise you can create a account in MathWorks and sign in. Okay, you can. Okay, when you logging in, you might get into this screen, or you might go into the other screen. Okay, next screen. When you logging in, you might see this screen or the next screen. So if you come to this one, okay, go to this get MATLAB. Okay, get MATLAB tab, then you will come into this screen. Okay, then you can go for this open MATLAB basic. Okay, and follow along with me. Okay, if you are in the lab, you can use the MATLAB installed in the lab. Okay, and if you are at home and if you don't have MATLAB installed computer with you, you can use this one. Okay, but it count the number of hours I can use for a month is only 20 hours. Okay, so if you are at home, you can use this. If you are at lab, you can use the MATLAB version installed in the lab. Okay, but there may be little bit differences due to the version. You can check with me in that case. Okay, so click here, okay, so your screen will look like this. Okay, in the top portion you have this script file editor. In the bottom portion you have the MATLAB command window. Here you can see the MATLAB file in current folder, and here you have the workspace. Okay, here if I close this one, I get all full screen command window, and if I want to open a file again, I can go here and open the script file. Okay, I will see you in the next video.